Earthing sheet half size with grounding cord, grounding conductive mat with pure silver threads for better sleep, reduced pain, EMF protection. If you're looking to try out this indoor grounding technique to see if it's right for you, here is a fantastic option. This half sheet comes in several size options, one of which is pretty small, so it can easily be used anywhere. Because of its smaller size, this earthing sheet is priced lower than the others on our list. That makes this the best earthing sheet for anyone on a budget. This product would make an excellent gift or a more portable model that could be taken on vacation, etc. This earthing sheet could be a catalyst for improving your overall health and wellness, and all you need to do is plug it in to begin getting earthed. This method of grounding boosts your health in the same ways as earthing by walking barefoot or swimming in the ocean, but it provides a completely effortless way to enjoy the benefits. Improving your health while sleeping is more accessible than ever with these earthing sheets. By improving your health and getting better sleep, this earthing mat also makes a great case for anti-aging. Although there are many ways to ground the body and connect with the earth, this is an extremely effective method. Whether you are in your home, sleeping in your bed, working at the office, or enjoying a vacation, this earthing technique is bound to affect your health in some pretty profound ways. By balancing the positive and negative forces between the body and the earth, we can find a new depth to balance our bodies, minds, and spirits. Here are some pros. Amazing health benefits and anti-aging. Smaller size allows for more versatility. Quality materials. Several size options. And here are some cons. Shorter cord than most of the others on the list may not be the best option for a larger bed.